大家好, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Savannah, who's here to help you learn Chinese the right way. We all have resolutions for 2021. Why don't we make one for our Chinese study, right? So, in this video, we are going to talk about 3 things that you can do every day to improve your Chinese. They are not time-consuming, huge tasks, and you don't have to do all of them. Just find one that suits you, that fits your learning goals and schedule, and make it become your habit. I'm here to share them with you, and hopefully I can help you explore and find your habit for your Chinese learning. Alright, without further ado, let's start with the first one. Write every day. Writing sentences about your day has some amazing benefits. Writing doesn't have to be daunting. You're not writing an essay. You're writing a few sentences describing your day, what you did, what you thought, your feelings, just something you want to talk about with your friend. So for me, I would write this today. 我今天去超市买东西，因为疫情，超市的人不多。After you write your sentences, I highly recommend that you post it in a language learning community such as HelloTalk. Native speakers in this community would see your post, and one of the great features is they allow users to correct other people's posts. So if you post your sentences, native Chinese speakers will see it and correct it. You can see where you made errors and learn something new from their correction. If you struggle at the first place to find the right words to express yourself, to write the sentences, you can just post your questions and people would love to help you with them. And also you can, exchange your knowledge by correcting other people's writing in your first language. To absorb Chinese every day. To absorb is to get input of Chinese language, learning new words and new expressions. You can do this by listening to podcasts, watching YouTube videos, and Chinese TV shows. Listening to a podcast is definitely my favorite one to do. I like to listen to a podcast to absorb information when I'm walking, driving, and doing chores. Watching a 10-minute YouTube video to learn something new is also a very good everyday activity. Do your research first before you get started. There are a lot of great podcasts, YouTube videos out there, but it might not fit your learning goals. Give yourself a week or so to find the right one that can keep you interested. You can only choose one to start, like podcasts, and create a regular schedule to help you get started. Watching movies and TV shows can be a little bit time-consuming, but it's super helpful if you only choose like 5-minute clip to look into the words and expressions that are used in that context. I've added a link to my videos about learning Chinese with TV shows. Please make sure to check them out and learn how to step-by-step learn something new from TV shows. Another useful tool I want to share is an extension learning languages with Netflix. It offers quick dictionary, speed adjustment, pinyin subtitles, Chinese subtitles, and a lot more. Make sure you check it out, install it if you're also a Netflix fan. Keeping a notebook. Keeping a notebook, adding new words every day, reviewing regularly will definitely help you improve your Chinese in the long run. As you're watching YouTube videos and TV shows, you come across some new words, expressions, write them down. They will be great resources for your own storytelling. If you see 2 people in a TV show talking about their day, you can definitely learn some structures and words in this context. And don't forget to also include contextual information so that someday you encounter a similar context, you will be confident so that you can use yourself next time. To know your level and learning goal. If you're a beginner, you just studied Chinese for a year or so, you want to start with something simple and basic. You may want to choose a podcast that introduces one word or simple expressions every time. For writing sentences, you may want to write something simple like your name, your nationality, age, hobby, your family, something like that. as you move forward, you can start writing sentences to express your feeling about topics you're interested, like politics or sports or animals, you know? You get the idea. Alright, this is all I want to share in this video. If you find it helpful, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below and tell me your language learning habit that help you improve and grow. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. 再见，拜拜。